Alright, y'all. Look at here. I got all my babies around here. I got Gabby over there with Tiger the cat. Over here, I got Lady. And right up top, I got Paris. They stay around me 24/7. Look at them. And they say cats and dogs don't get along. Look at that. Yes, they do. And I got another cat around here somewhere too. But can't find her. But Gabby is right here asleep. Tiger is asleep. Lady is asleep. And look at Paris. Paris got something on her. Look at that. Look at that. She done got us some gum. I gotta find out a way to get some gum out for her. This daggone dog. Look at her. Oh, you better go ahead and go to sleep too. Gabby. Gabby. Tiger. Lady. Paris. They're my animals. And they say I don't love animals.